much everyone. You are watching my YouTube channel Quick Tasty. So today we are going to see how to make easy and simple chicken curry recipe. Take a utensil. Now add little oil. Now let the oil get heated. Once the oil is heated,
now add 4 green chilies in it. Two onions.
Now fry the onions until it's light brown. Now add 2 tomatoes in it.
Now add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder,
2 teaspoons chili powder, 3 teaspoons coriander powder.
now add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste,
3 tablespoons of average chicken masala. Now mix the masalas nicely. Now add little water in it. And stir it well. Now let the masala get nicely cooked. Once the masala is cooked, add the chicken in it. And mix it nicely. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt in it and mix it well. Now close the lid and let the chicken get cooked nicely. Once the chicken is cooked nicely, take a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour in it and now add little water and mix it well. Add the corn flour starch in it and mix it nicely. Now add little water in it as the corn flour thickens the curry and mix it nicely. Once the curry is boiled nicely, switch off the gas